It's Crypto Vlog, guys. In today's video, Bitcoin Everlight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Bitcoin has always stood for one thing above everything else: trust. Trust in the code, trust in the network, trust that no single entity controls it. That's why Bitcoin became the backbone of the entire crypto space. But over time, something became clear. While the rest of the industry evolved, smart contracts, complex networks, interoperable ecosystems, Bitcoin largely stayed the same. Strong, secure, but limited in what it could actually do. And that raises an important question. What if Bitcoin could remain Bitcoin, while still expanding into something more? That's exactly the problem Everlight is trying to solve. Everlight isn't about competing with Bitcoin, it's about building around it. At its core, Everlight is creating an infrastructure layer focused on network routing, node participation, and ecosystem scalability, designed to complement Bitcoin's philosophy rather than dilute it. Instead of chasing trends or launching flashy features, Everlight is focused on fundamentals: how networks grow, how participants interact, and how systems remain efficient as they scale. The project officially begins its public journey on January 26, 2026, but its vision clearly stretches far beyond a single launch date. Before talking about technology or roadmaps, trust needs to be addressed. Everlight operates in a space where transparency is no longer optional, and the team seems to understand that clearly. The project has completed 2 independent audits, carried out by Solid Proof and SpyWolf, reviewing the core mechanics and smart contract logic. On top of that, Everlight has gone through 2 separate KYC processes, with team members verified by SpyWolf and WhiteBlock. All of this information is publicly available through the official website and white paper. Not hidden, not vague, but clearly documented. That doesn't guarantee success, but it does signal seriousness. One of the more interesting design choices Everlight makes is its decision to launch first on Ethereum. This isn't about abandoning Bitcoin, it's about using the right environment at the right time. Ethereum offers proven smart contract infrastructure, deep liquidity, a mature developer ecosystem. By starting on Ethereum, Everlight can deploy, test, and optimize its networking layer in a stable environment before expanding further. Think of Ethereum as the proving ground, the place where Everlight systems are refined before broader deployment. This long-term mindset becomes even clearer when you look at the roadmap. Everlight doesn't attempt to do everything at once. Instead, it builds in clearly defined phases, each one preparing the ground for the next. Phase 1 is about bringing the network to life. This is where Everlight transitions from an idea into a functioning system. The phase includes the token generation event, a public pre-sale, initial node registration allowing early operators to participate, and the activation of lightweight routing, which enables the first layer of network communication, rather than focusing solely on token distribution. This phase establishes the technical and operational foundation the entire ecosystem will rely on. Phase 2, node expansion. With the core live, the focus moves to scale. Phase 2 is designed to grow participation while improving efficiency across the network. This includes wider node onboarding, bringing more operations into the system, routing optimizations to improve performance and reliability, and the rollout of node tiers, introducing structure and incentive alignment. This is where Everlight starts to feel like a real network, not just a launch, but a growing system. Phase 3 marks a major technical leap. This is where Everlight networking layer is fully introduced. At this stage, the project delivers advanced routing tools, dedicated operator dashboards, and deeper protocol integrations. Everlight stops being just infrastructure and begins to function as a platform, something others can connect to, integrate with, and build on top of. And the final phase focuses on long-term sustainability. Phase 4 transitions Everlight into fully governed interoperable system. This includes expanded tooling for developers and operators, cross-network compatibility, allowing interaction beyond a single chain, and governed signaling, giving the community a voice in how the ecosystem evolves. At this point, Everlight completes its shift from a technical network into a self-sustaining system. There's one key date worth remembering. The Everlight token is scheduled to launch on May 29, 2026. However, if the allocation sells out before that date, the token may launch earlier. This built-in flexibility reflects the project's adaptive approach rather than a rigged timeline. If you want to explore Everlight further, all official channels are available below: their official website, launch platform, their Telegram, and last but not least, their X. All links are included in the description so you can verify everything directly from the source. Everlight isn't built for quick hype cycles. It's built for infrastructure before noise, structure before speed, and long-term growth over short-term attention. With multiple audits, verified team members, a clear structured roadmap, and a phased deployment strategy, Everlight presents itself as a project focused on execution and longevity. As always, do your own research, read the roadmap, check the audits, follow the development. Because the projects that matter most are the ones that still make sense, even when the hype is gone. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, like it, and put notification on. Join this amazing project called Bitcoin Everlight and check all of these informations just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.